नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, fifth chapter is coordinate geometry and practice set 5.2. First example is find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining the points A minus 1 7 and B 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Now here answer now 2 points and ratio is given here. Suppose let point A means minus 1 7 is equal to x1 y1, then B 4 minus 3 is equal to x2 y2, then point P is x y and the ratio m is to n is equal to 2:3, which is given. Now here by section formula x is equal to this point means x coordinate of P, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate of P means y is equal to m y2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values we get which is equal to, now here m is 2 into x2 is here 4, then plus n means 3 into x1, here x1 is minus 1 divided by m means 2, then plus n means 3, and this is x, and y is equal to here m means 2 into y2 means minus 3, then plus n means 3 into y1 means here 7 divided by m plus n means 2 plus 3. Now solving we get which is equal to 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8, then minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3 means 5, this is x, and here y is equal to 2 into minus 3 means minus 2 3 is 6, then plus 3 7 is 21 divided by 2 plus 3 means 5, and hence here x is equal to 8 minus 3 means 5 upon 5, and here y is equal to minus 6 plus 21 means 15 divided by 5, and hence here x is equal to 5 divided by 5 means 1, and here y is equal to 15 divided by 5 means 5 3s means y is equal to 3, and hence now we can write the coordinates. Hence the coordinates of point P is equal to x coordinate means 1, comma 3. This is the answer. Then second example, in each of the following examples find the coordinates of point A which divides segment PQ in the ratio A is to B. First example, now here point P is -3, 7, then Q 1 minus 4 and ratio A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. Now here P -3, 7 which is equal to x1, y1, then Q 1 minus 4 which is equal to x2, y2, and here ratio means m is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. And now by section formula, x is equal to, now here mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values, now here which is equal to m and n means here A is to B. Now here n means 2 into x2, here x2 is 1 into 1 plus n means 1 into x1, x1 means here minus 3 divided by m plus n means 2 plus 1, and y is equal to here m means 2 into y2, y2 means minus 4, then plus n means 1 into y1, y1 means 7 upon 2 plus 1, and hence here x is equal to 2 1s are 2, then plus into minus means minus, 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 plus 1 means 3, and here y is equal to plus into minus means minus, 2 4s are 8, then plus 7 1s are 7 upon 2 plus 1 means 3, which is equal to minus 8 plus 7 means minus 1 upon here 3, and here 2 minus 3 means minus 1 upon 3, and hence now we can write, hence coordinates of point A is equal to, x coordinate means minus 1 by 3 and y coordinate also minus 1 by 3. This is the answer. Then second example, P minus 2 minus 5 Q 4 3 and A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. Now here P minus 2 minus 5 is equal to x1 y1, then Q 4 3 means x2 y2, say. Now here A is to B is given, that is 3 is to 4. Now by section formula, now here A is to B is given. Now here x is equal to, we can take the ratio m is to n, means here A is to B. We can write formula in this form, means instead of m we can write a into x2 plus b into x1 upon a plus b, and y is equal to a into y2 plus b into y1 upon a plus b. A आणि B जो आपण घेतला आहे रेशो m is to n असा आपण रेशो फॉर्म्युलामध्ये यूज करतो, त्याच्याऐवजी a b आपल्याला घेता येतं. And hence here x is equal to, now a means 3 into x2 means here 4, then plus b means 4 into x1 is minus 2, divided by a means 3 plus b means 4, and y is equal to, now a means 3 into y2 means here also 3, then plus b means 4 into y1 means minus 5, divided by a plus b means 3 plus 4, and hence here x is equal to, on solving we get 3 4s are 12, plus into minus means minus, 4 2s are 8, divided by 3 plus 4 means 7, and here y is equal to 3 3s are 9, plus into minus means minus, 4 5s are 20, divided by 3 plus 4 means 7. Now here hence x is equal to 12 minus 8 means 4 upon 7, and here y is equal to 9 minus 20 means minus 11 divided by 7, and hence now we can write here, hence the coordinates of point A is equal to, point A is equal to, x coordinate means 4 by 7 and y coordinate is minus 11 upon 7. This is the answer. Then third example. Now here P 2 6 Q minus 4 1 A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. Now we can write direct by section formula. By section formula we can write here x is equal to b into, now ratio is a is to, means here a into x2 plus b into x1 divided by a plus b, and y is equal to a into y2 plus b into y1 divided by a plus b. Now putting values, x is equal to, now here a means 1 into x2, x2 is here minus 4, then plus b, b means 2 into x1, x1 is 2 divided by a plus b means 1 plus 2, and y is equal to here a means 1 into y2, y2 is 1, then plus b means 2 into y1, y1 is 6 upon a plus b means 1 plus 2, and hence x is equal to here, x is equal to plus 1 into minus 4, plus into minus means minus, 4 1s are 4, plus 2 2s are 4 upon 1 plus 2 means 3. And here y is equal to 1 1 ja 1 plus 2 6 ja 12 divided by 1 plus 2 means 3. And hence on solving we get, and hence x is equal to minus 4 plus 4 means 0 divided by 3, and here y is equal to 12 plus 1 means 13 divided by 3. Now here 0 upon 3 means which is equal to 0, and hence the coordinates of point A is equal to, आपल्याला याच्यावरून लिहिता येईल याचे coordinate, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 13 divided by 3. This is the answer. Then third question, find the ratio in which point T minus 1 divide the line segment joining the points P minus 3 10 and Q 6 minus 8. Now the answer. Now suppose these 2 points are here, end points. Suppose this point P and coordinates are minus 3 10 and this end point is Q, coordinates are 6 minus 8. Now suppose here point T and coordinates are minus 1 6. Now we have to find out the ratio. Suppose this portion is M and this is N, means the ratio of these two parts of the segment means M is to N. Now let this T divide the segment, let point T minus 1 6 divides seg PQ in the ratio M is to N, and here P minus 310 is equal to x1 y1 and Q 6 minus 8 is equal to x2 y2. Now here by section formula, now by the section formula the coordinates किंवा या ठिकाणी सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला x इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values we get, now here these points, point T which is equal to the, suppose which is equal to x comma y. Now here x means, now here x means minus 1 which is equal to, now m is not given, means m into x2, now x2 is here 6, then plus n is also not given, where to find, then n into x1, here x1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n. And now here y means 6 is equal to, m is not given, m into y2, now here y2 means minus 8, then plus n into y1, y1 is 10 divided by m plus n. Now solving we get, याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे, m plus n into minus 1 means minus m minus n is equal to 6 into m means 6m, then plus into minus means minus, 3 into n means 3n. And here 6 into this, 6 into m plus n means 6m, then plus 6 into n means 6n is equal to minus 8 into m means minus 8m plus 10 into n means 10n. Then solving, hence here 6m आपण या साईडला घेतो, means minus m minus 6m is equal to this minus n या साईडला घेतलं तर n minus 3n, and from here 6m minus 8m इकडे घेतलं तर plus 8m which is equal to now 10n, then 6n तिकडे घेतलं तर minus 6n. Now here minus m minus 6m means minus 7m is equal to n minus 3n means minus 2n, and 6 plus 8 means 14m is equal to 10 minus 6 means 4n. Now on solving we get m upon n is equal to this minus 2 divided by minus 7, and here m upon n is equal to now this 4 upon this 14 which is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, which is equal to, and hence we can write here m upon n is equal to 2 by 7, and here minus minus get cancelled, and we can write here m upon n is equal to this 2 upon 7. This is 2 upon 7, here also 2 upon 7, and hence now the ratio, hence the ratio in which point T divides the lines segment P minus 310 and Q 6 minus 8 is equal to 2:7. This is the answer. Then fourth example. Now here in the fourth example, point P is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. Now draw a circle like this, and this is the center and this is the diameter. Now P is the center, means this point P is the center of the circle, AB is diameter. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. Coordinates also given here. Find the coordinates of point B. B चे जे पॉइंट्स आहे ते आपल्याला या ठिकाणी फाइंड करायचे आहे. सपोज XY आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स and point A is 2 minus 3 and coordinates of P minus 2 0. Let B XY and point P is center. A dash P dash B means point P between point A B. Point P divides segment AB means diameter in the ratio 1:1. या ठिकाणी P is the center of the circle आणि म्हणून डायमीटरचे ते इक्वल पार्ट्स करते आणि म्हणून त्याचा रेशो 1:1 आहे. नाउ बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्म्युला, coordinate of point P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. Now here putting the values we get x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to 3, and hence coordinates of point B is minus 6 3. Then question number 5, find the ratio in which points P K7 divides the segment joining A 8 9 and B 1 2. Also find K. Now here this is the line segment AB with coordinates. Now take point P on line segment and ratio is m:n. Now here point P K7 divides segment AB in the ratio m:n. Now by section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values, we get k is equal to m into 1 plus n into 8 upon m plus n, and here 7 is equal to m into 2 plus n into 9 upon m plus n. Now on solving, now here k into m plus n is equal to m into 1 means m plus 8 into n means 8n. This is equation number 1. Now here 7 into m plus n means 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n, and hence 7m minus 2m is equal to 9n minus 7n. Then we get on solving m upon n is equal to 2 by 5. Now putting this in equation 1, then we get k into m plus n means 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 8 into 5. On solving we get k is equal to 42 upon 7, means we can divide this 7 1 are 7 and 7 6 are 42, means k is equal to 6, and hence the ratio 2:5 and k is equal to 6. This is the answer. Now sixth example, find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. Now here answer, let 22, 20 is equal to x1, y1, 0, 16 is equal to x2, y2. Coordinates of midpoint is equal to x, y. By midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now putting the values, x is equal to 22 plus 0 upon 2 and y is equal to 20 plus 16 upon 2. On solving we get x is equal to 22 by 2, which is equal to 11, and here y is equal to 36 by 2 means 18, and hence the coordinates of midpoint of segment joining points 22, 20 and 0, 16 is equal to 11, 18. Thank you from Sanjay Thakre.